right now. You are now tuned in. Pin Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a melting glitter face. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up and let's get started. Alright, so you guys, I'm going to start off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. And I'm going to prime my eyelids. And I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend that out. Alright, so first I'm going to be taking my ColourPop palette. And I'm going to be taking this dark brown shade, which is called Mischief, and I'm putting it in my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to blend out the brown, and I'm going to be taking this like burnt orange shade in Louis. This is called Louis, to help blend that shade too. I'm just going to blend it first. Now I'm going to take Louis and put that right on top. Alright, so now I'm going to take this brush and blend out the orange. Alright, so now I'm going to do the halo part and carve that out with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm taking a kind of round brush. And what I do is place it in the center of my eyelid and drag it down. Alright, so for my lid, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And it's called Two Peas. It's kind of like a champagne color. Let me take my finger. And I'm going to tap it on. Alright, so now for the outer and inner corner, I'm going to go back into my brown, which is called Mischief. And blend that in with the middle color. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my NYX gel eyeliner in black and creating my wing liner. Alright, so I'm going to take this gold glitter eyeliner and I'm going to like, what do you call it? I don't know. I'll just show you. I'm going to put it on top of the crease where the halo starts. Alright, so since half of my face is going to be glitter, I'm not going to use too much foundation. I'm just going to do the top portion of my face with the foundation. Alright, so I'm just going to put the foundation like up here. But I'm going to bring it down far enough so when I put on the glitter, I won't have any like missing spots. Alright, now I'm going to conceal under my eye and my forehead and my nose. And I'm going to be still taking both concealers. So I just went down the center of my face. Alright, now I'm going to contour, and I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. I'm just going to... And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in Mocha. Use it as a bronzer. Just go on top of that. Alright, so for my under eye, I'm going to be going back into Louis. Alright, now I'm going to take this mascara and pull out my bottom lashes. Alright, so to outline my, like where my face is going to be like kind of melting. This lighting is terrible. I'm just going to start from like my sideburn. And I'm taking this white eyeliner. Alright, so now I have the outline of where I want to place everything. So I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer. Taking this brush. And I'm going to be taking a silver glitter. I'm going to do silver. Alright, so I'm taking my glitter primer. So I'm going to take my glitter. This is going to get messy. This glitter is going to be on me for about the rest of the year. Alright, so I'm going to go back in and take my foundation and kind of let the foundation drip down onto my face. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.